How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny hands permanently for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. First exercise we are going to do is going to be extensions like this. "30, keep going. "70, keep going. "100, quick little break. Okay, we're then going to wiggle our fingers like this. Perfect, quick little, quick little break. And then we are going to do the curls like this. Perfect. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.